everybody can see me. I'll show you amongst all this mess how I vent tyres. I think it's the wrong way because I basically burn the hole and get some kind of weird poison sensation from my, what do you call it, soldering iron. Don't know if you can hear me. It's the first time I've done something like this. So we go. That isn't giving us enough squidge. So put these off. So I can. Tyres. Crappy phones. Now it seems odd and much bigger, but it says they're for the right width, 106 to whatever it was. So there or thereabouts. There's 108 these tyres, I believe. Yeah, I believe. Oh, I've actually vented it first. So, nice and hot. For the top. Health and safety below the fumes away from you. One directly opposite. Make sure the hole's clear. So on this side, fill. But yeah, Endura insert in there. Nice soft green one. Move it around a bit. Nice. Go that way. A little bit of a stall, which in old trucks as well, it's about all they're good for. If you can see, like I said, it's my first time doing this. Probably can't even hear me because I mumble. So, one in a little bit. Spin it around. Sit one in a little bit. Show it nice even cap. Cool. And then two down. I think most people speed this bit up, but I'm not technically savvy at all. Probably can't see what I'm doing or hear what I'm saying. Trying to make these long videos. I've done the other 3. I normally use this, but every time I can knacker it will nut up, so I thought I'll do it like this. Looks tight. That's what you want it to come out nice and now we're getting the full sideways of the tyre. Cool. And the wheel goes. I'll get that little fucker on there later. See? Nice stiff sidewalls. Wicked.